I'm Joe Brown, IT Manager at Construction Engineers. At Construction Engineers, we utilize the drone for many different reasons on job sites. A lot of the work does start before I do get to the job site, just surveying the site so I have a good layout of what it's been like. Obviously, if it's the first time I've been to the job site, I'd like to have a good representation of where I'm going to be flying and whatnot. Once I do get to the job site, get the drone ready just by unpacking it and making sure it's all in working condition. Go through some checkpoints with that. And then once I do go through all those checkpoints, we get it up in the air and start surveying the job site. We find it valuable just to give good updates, visual updates to the job site on the job progress for the clients and for the owners. It's just a good way to get them good visuals of like they're on the job site, but sometimes they cannot get to the job site as frequently as they would like. And it just kind of gives us some good views of the job site that you wouldn't normally get even from visiting it on the ground. This is Construction Engineers, and we are building for tomorrow.